That means 10 marks. Okay? Write one whole question. They given 10 marks for simultaneous equation. Okay, right. I think you have a tute, right? Right. Take the first question now. First one, Roman number 1. Right. Now listen to me. 2x plus y equals 10. The first equation. Second one they given x minus y equals 2. Yeah. X minus y equals 2. Right. First thing, we have to check the coefficient. Coefficient means the numerical value of the unknown term. Okay. And now here, what's the coefficient of here? X 2. What's the coefficient of x here? 1. And now here not equal. Okay. And now second one here. What's the coefficient of y? Here 1, here 1. Then coefficient of y are equal. Okay. And now here, see the mark here sign. Here plus and minus. If the two signs are different, plus minus or minus plus. Yeah. If two coefficients are equal, then signs plus minus or minus plus, then we have to add the simultaneous equation. We should add. Okay. Now here, if both signs are equal, plus plus or minus minus, plus plus or minus minus, then we have to subtract the two equations. That's the method. Okay. Now here see 1, 1, the sign plus and minus. Then we should add the two equations. Just tell me.
The video is not clear, sir.
All right. Let's see now. Now okay.
It shows that the bandwidth is low.
Now okay, everyone. Now clear the board. Now okay, everyone. Right. Now let's see here. Right. Now here plus and minus. Now here different signs. Then we should add the two simultaneous equations. Right. Now here first we should write here 1 plus 2 here. First one we should have the second equation. Okay. Now here 2x plus y plus x minus 1. 2x plus y plus x minus y here equals 10 plus 2. Okay. Now here plus y to minus y we can cancel. Okay. Now here 2x plus x here 3x equals 12. Now we should find the value of x, not 3x. Then we should divide by 3. Okay. Now here x equals to 4. Okay. X equals 4. Now we have to find the value of y also. Right. Okay. Now here listen to me. Now we can substitute first equation or second equation. Now here second equation is very easy. Here x minus y equals 2. Now we know value of x equals 4. Now here x minus y substitute by 2. Okay. Substitute by second equation. Now here x minus y equals 2. Okay. Now here value of x equals 4. Then substitute here 4 minus y equals 2. We should find the value of plus y, not minus y. Then we can change here minus y to plus y, plus 2 to minus. Now here 4 minus 2 equals to y. Then here y equals here 2. The value of y equals 2. Right. Write the first one. Write the first question. Two x plus y equals 10. X minus y equals 2. Right. Okay. Right. Now here, first one, 2x plus y equals 10. Okay. Second equation, x minus y equals 2. And now here, what's the coefficient here? Y, 1, 1. Then coefficients are equal. Coefficient means the numerical value of the unknown term. Okay. And now here, see the sign here, plus and minus. Then we should add the two equations. First one plus second one. Then here, 2x plus y plus x minus y equals 10 plus 2. Okay. And now here plus y to minus y we can cancel. 2x plus x equals 3x equals to 12. Okay. Now here we have to find the value of x. Then both sides divide by 3. Now here x equals 4. Then we can substitute by 2. Here x equals 4. 4 minus y equals 2. Then minus y here plus y here minus 2. Then 4 minus 2 equals 2. Then value of y equals 2. Write the first one now. Hurry up now. Copy this one. After the find the value of x, we can substitute in the first equation also, right? Here x equals 4. Now here 2 times 4, here 8. And now here 8 plus y equals 10. Then plus 8 here we can take minus 8. And then 10 minus 8 equals 2. Same answer, right? You can substitute first equation or second equation. It's okay. Okay? Right, hurry up now. Write it. Right, we can't subtract here two equations, right? That's why I told, right? Now here, see the sign here, plus and minus. If different signs, then we should add the two equations. Okay, here, remind this one, right? If different sign, plus, minus, or minus plus, then we should add the both the equation. Yeah, okay, right? The coefficients are equal here, plus, minus, then we should add. Now, here, let's see the second one. I think all are finished. Okay. Right. Now let's the second one. Yeah. Roman number 2. Right. Now these are the equations. Two equations I give. Right. M plus 2n equals 7. Now listen to me, everyone. M plus 2n equals 7. This is the first equation. M minus n equals 1. This is the second equation. Okay. Now listen to me carefully. Here, right? Now coefficient of m here 1. Okay. Here also coefficient of m equals 1. Now equal. But here n 2 and 1 not equal. Okay. Right. Now here see the sign. Not here. Right. Not plus minus. Here we know what are the signs. Plus, here also plus, right? We should take the here m, not n now. Now here plus, plus. Now same sign, plus, plus, or minus, minus. Then we should subtract the two equations. We should minus, okay? Now here, let's see your right side, right hand side here, 7 and 1. Now here we can easily subtract 7 minus 1, okay? Not 1 minus 7. Then we can subtract here, listen to me carefully, first equation minus second equation, right? Why here signs are equal? When signs are equal, plus plus or minus minus, then we should subtract the two equations, okay? Now listen to me here carefully, m plus 2n minus here m minus n equals 7 minus 1. Now this step is wrong. Why? Here compulsory we should put a brackets. Here compulsory you should put brackets. Here second equation. Why here minus? If plus, don't need to put brackets. If minus, compulsory you should put brackets. Okay. Now we can expand it here. Now here m plus 2n minus into m minus m minus into minus n, now here plus n. That's why the brackets are compulsory. Okay, here minus into m minus m minus into minus n, here plus n. Okay, now here 7 minus 1 6. Now here minus m plus m to minus m we can cancel it. 2n plus n here 3n equals 6. Then both sides divide by 3. Then now value of n equals 2. 6 divided by 3, 2. Okay. Again, I tell here. Now here coefficient 1, 1. Signs of here coefficient are equal, plus, plus. Not here. Don't need to take this one. Okay. These are the equal unknown terms. Okay. And now here 1 minus 2, m plus 2n. Compulsory you should put a brackets for the second equation. Here. Then you can expand it. Minus into m minus m. Minus into minus n plus n. And now here plus m to minus n we can cancel it. 2n plus n 3n equals 6. Then here both sides divide by 3, then n equals 2. Now you can substitute this value. N equals 2, first equation to second equation. Now here also second one is easy. Then write it here, substitute by 1. Yeah, substitute by 1. Then write the equation. M minus n equals 1. Now here value of n equals 2. Here value of n equals 2. Now here m minus 2 equals 1. Minus 2 we can take here plus 2. Now here m equals to 2 plus 1. Now here m equals 3. Then the value of n equals 2, m equals 3. Okay, understood? Right, copy this one, hurry up. Copy the second one also. If we subtract the two equation, they compulsory you should put brackets for the second equation, not the first one. Okay. If we add, then don't need to put. If we add in the two equation, don't need to put the brackets. Only the subtraction. Okay. Right. Okay, inshallah, we will see, right? Quadratic equation also. First, we'll finish the simultaneous equation. After that, we will do the quadratic equation. Right. If we finish the second one, you can all try the third one. Do it now. Right. We'll see third one. Do third one now. We finish second one. 2a plus 3b equals 16. And 4a plus 3b equals 26. Same method, right? Now first three are very easy. First three questions, right? Why? Already coefficients are equal. The first one, y. Coefficient of y are equal. Second one, coefficient of m. And now do the third one. First copy this one and do the third one. Yes. We can subtract 1 from 2 or 2 from 1. How we decide? Now see the right side here. Now right side here 7. Here. Number is 7. Now here 1. Now we know 7 is larger than 1 now. Then easy to we can subtract here 1 minus 2. Okay. If we here like here 11. Now here 7 and 11. Okay. Now here we know 11 is more than 7. Then we should subtract 2 minus 1. Not 1 minus 2. Okay. Now here 7 is greater than 1. Then easy to we can simplify 1 minus 2. Okay. Now do the third one. Third one. Others, hurry up now, write it. Copy this one. Do third one. Others, hurry up now. 2a plus 3b equals 16. Okay. Let's now write it. Third question. 2a plus 3b equals 16. First equation. And the second equation, 4a plus 3b. 4a plus 3b equals 26. Now let's see here. Now second equation, the value 26 is, we know, more than 60. Okay. Now do it, hurry up now, everyone. And tell me the answer. What's the value of a and b? Simplify and tell me. What's the value of a and b? I'll give you 5 minutes. Right, Salha, good. A equals 5, B equals 2. Okay, Aisha. A equals 5, B equals 2. Okay. A equals 5, B equals 2. Right, good. Others, hurry up now. I'll give another 2-3 minutes. First, check the coefficient. Coefficient means numerical value of the unknown term. And now we here now the coefficient of first equation A 2, second equation A is 4. After this 10 question, we will discuss the O-level past papers, right? Let's see now. Hurry up now. Okay, good. Abdullah, A equals 5. A equals 5, B equals 2. Right, good. Right, Raksha. Khatija, good. A equals 5, B equals 2. Others, hurry up now. Simplify and tell me the answer. Okay, right. Now stop writing, everyone. Stop writing. Right. Now let's see, right? And now again, I'll explain what's the coefficient, right? And now here, coefficient means the numerical value. Here, 2, right, of the unknown term. Now here, A, here 4. And now here, not equal. Okay. Then don't need to take A. And now let's see here, B. And now here, 3 and 3. Then coefficients are equal. Okay. Now first 3 I gave here, coefficients are equal. But here, 4, 5, 6, not like that. Right, we'll see after, right? Okay. And now here B is equal here. And now see the here sign plus plus. Now here don't need to check this one. Why? These are the equal coefficient. Okay. We should see the sign of the equal coefficient. And now here plus plus. And now that means same sign. And now we should subtract the two equations. Okay. And now we can two method here. 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. Now let's see the right hand side here. Now here large one here 26. Then we can easily subtract here 2 minus 1, not 1 minus 2. If you write 1 minus 2 also same thing, right? 16 minus 26, what's the answer? Minus 10. That's it. But here 26 minus 16 plus 10. Okay. Now here easy. Second one minus first one. Yeah. Write this step, right? Second one minus first one. Now we should write the second equation, not the first one. First we should write the second equation. Why we wrote here second minus 1? Okay, 2 minus 1. Now here write the second equation here. 4a plus 3b. 4a plus 3b minus. After that you should put a brackets, compulsory. Otherwise wrong. Okay. Compulsory you should put the brackets. Now here 2a plus 3b. 2a plus 3b and now here equal to 26 minus 16, not 16 minus 26. Here 2 minus 1. Okay. Then here 26 minus 16. And now expand the brackets here. 4a plus 3b minus into 2a minus 2a minus into 3b minus 3b. And now here 26 minus 16. The answer is what? 10. 26 minus 16, 10. And now here minus 3b plus 3b. And now we can cancel. Plus 3b and minus 3. Now here 4a minus 2a. Then here 2a equals 10. Now we should find the value of a. Then both sides divide by 2. Now here a equals 5. Is the answer. A equals 5. Okay. Now you can substitute. What's the easy one? Now first one here is by 16. No? Here 2a plus 3. Now we can substitute by first one. You can substitute the second one also, right? Okay, substitute by 1. Now we have first write the equation. 2a plus 3b equals 60. 2a plus 3b equals 60. Now value of a equals 5. Now here 2 times 5. A 5, right? Plus 3b equals 60. Right? 2 times 5 here 10. 10 plus 3b equals 60. Okay, 10 plus 3b equals 16. Now plus 10 here we can take minus 10. Now here 3b equals 16 minus 10. Now here 6. Then 3b equals 6. Both sides divide by 3. Now here b equals 2. Okay. Then the value of a equals 5. B equals 2. Okay. Now here second one minus first one very easy. Okay. Fine. Copy this one. Hurry up. A equals 5, B equals 2. Here also we substitute in the first equation, right? You can substitute in the second equation also, right? Same answer, right? Same answer will come, right? If here A equals 5, here 4 times 5, 20. Plus 20 here we can take minus 20. 26 minus 26. Then here 3b equals 6. Both sides divide by 3. B equals 2. Same answer will come, right? Okay. You can substitute the first one, no second one. Hurry up now. Now Roman number 4, 5, 6 are different. Now first 3 is very easy. Why? Already coefficients are equal. Okay. Right? But now here fourth one, a plus 2b equals 10. Let's see now, right? Hurry up now, others. We should discuss the O-level past papers also. Finally, fourth one, a plus 2b equals 10. This is the first equation. Second one, 2a minus 5b equals 2. Second equation. Others, hurry up now, write it. Third one, write the answer. Everyone finish? Third one. Right, okay. Now let's see the right. Right. Okay. Now see the fourth one. Now let's see the first coefficient of unknown term. Now listen to me carefully. Right. Now here first equation coefficient of a. Now here nothing means 1. Okay. Now here a is 2. Now not equal. Right. Okay. Now here b 2. Here b 5. B also not equal. Right. Now take the LCM. Now here we know here 1 and 2 LCM is 2. Here 2 and 5 LCM is 10. Now here 2 is less than 10. Then EC2 we can take here. Now here 1 no. Then first equation we can multiply by 2. Okay. First equation we can multiply by 2. Why? 2 times A, 2A. Then coefficient going to be equal. Okay. Then here 2 times 2B, 4B. 2 times 10, 20. Now here, then write that step, right? First one we should multiply by 2. Okay. Why 2? Here 2 times A, 2A. then coefficient should be equal. Okay. Now here 2 times a, 2a. The whole equation we should multiply by 2, right? Not only a. Okay. Then 2 times 2b, 4b equals 2 times 10, now 20. Now you have to mark here third equation. Then first equation don't need to take, only the second one and third. Okay. Now first one don't need to take, right? Now second one here 2a. Third one also here 2a. Now here coefficient of a equal here 2 and 2. Now see the sign, not this one, right? Here signs are here coefficient are equal these two. A. Now here we know plus, right? Here also we know plus. Then we should subtract. Okay. Now see the right hand side. Here 2, here 20. Now we know 20 is more than 2. Then here easy to we can subtract what? 3 minus 2, not 2 minus 3. Why here 2 minus 20 is minus 18. Okay. Minus 18 also correct. But here 20 minus 2 is 18. Very easy. Okay. Now here 3 minus 2. Third equation minus second equation. Here. First write the third one. 2a plus 4b minus, the brackets are compulsory, 2a minus 5b. 2a minus 5b. Now here equals 20 minus 2, not 2 minus 20, right? 20 minus 2. Okay. And now we can expand the brackets. Right. Now here same thing, 2a plus 4b minus into 2a here minus 2a minus into here minus into minus. Then plus. Here should be plus 5. Okay. Again minus into 2a minus 2a minus into minus plus. Here plus 5b. Now here 20 minus 2 here 80. Okay. Now here minus 2a to plus 2a we can select 4b plus 5b. Here 9b equals 80. 9b equals 80. Then we should find the value of b. Both sides divide by 9. Now here b equals to 2. The value of b equals 2. Okay. Now we can substitute this one. First one, second one, third one. Any of these equation you can substitute. But what's easy? Now first one is a plus 2b. Here 2a minus 5b. Then you can substitute by first one. Here. Write it, right? Substitute by first one. Then write the equation. A plus 2b equals 10. A plus 2b equals 10. The value of b equals 2. Okay. Then first write a plus 2b. Then 2 times 2. Then now we know 2 times 2 here 4. Now here a plus 4 equals to 10. Plus 4 we can take here minus 4. Now here 10 minus 4 equals to a equals 6. Yeah, a equals 6. Then the value of b equals 2 and the a equals 6. Understood? Right. Copy this one, hurry up. B equals 2 and a equals 6. Right. If coefficient are minus minus, that's I told. If coefficients are equal, signs are equal, plus plus or minus minus, we should subtract. Okay. If different signs, plus minus or minus plus, then we should add. Okay. The sixth equation we see, right? Copy this one. Right, okay. If you finish the fourth one, do the fifth one now. So long now. 8x minus 3y equals 1. 3x plus 2y equals 16. So the fifth one. and tell me the answers. Value of x and the value of y. Right, we'll see, right? We'll do the past papers and we'll separate the lesson by lesson, right? The simultaneous equation means one whole question, right? After that, for grade 11 students, we'll do the some model past papers, right? By lesson by lesson. Hurry up now. Do the fifth one. For grade 10 students, we'll start the third term lesson. Okay. Third term lesson. First, we'll start arithmetic progression. Okay. For grade 10. For grade 11, we will do the papers, right? By lesson by lesson. Now, today simultaneous equation finish. Right? And now do the fifth one now and tell me the answers. What's the value of x and y? Right, I'll go to the fifth question. Right. Now do it now. 8x minus 3y equals 1. 8x minus 3y equals 1. This is the first one. Okay. 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y equals 60. Second one. Now do it now. 8x minus 3y equals 1. And the second equation, 3x plus 2y equals 60. Simplify and tell me what's the value of x and what's the value of y. Right, Aisha, good. X equals 2, y equals 5. Okay. Others, hurry up now. But in the O-level paper, they given a story, right? Like second, third, fourth, fifth, right? They given a story. Then we should construct two simultaneous equations. Okay, Abdul Rahman, x equals 2, y equals 5. Good. Nuha, okay, x equals 2, y equals 5. Rajna, okay, Salah, okay. The answers are correct. Others, hurry up now. Arkam, okay, x equals 2, y equals 5. Bushra, okay, x equals 2, y equals 5. Correct. X equals 2, y equals 5. Okay. Others, hurry up now. And now we should equal to coefficient, right? Do it now, hurry up. Right, Abdullah Fawmi, x equals 2, y equals 5. Good. Right. And now let's see. Okay. Now stop writing, everyone. And now see the first equation here. First equation here. coefficient of x equals here 8. Second one, coefficient of x equals 6, unequal. Okay. Now here y equals 3, y equals here 2, right? And now take the LCM. Okay. And now we know here 3 and 8 LCM is 24. And now here 3 and 2 LCM is 6. Now here we know 6 is less than 24. Then 6 is easy. Okay. And now here we should convert here 3y to 6y. Now we know 3 times 2 equals to 6. Then first equation we should multiply by 2. Okay. Here 3 times 2, 6. That's it. Okay. And now here 2y. Here 2y. And now 2y we should make it what? 6y. Okay. And now here 2 times 3 is 6. And then second equation we should multiply by 3. Okay. Second equation we should multiply by 3. And then 3 times 2, 6. Here also 6. And now here write it. First equation we should multiply by 2. Okay. And now here whole equation we should multiply, right? Not only y, right? And then here 2 times 8, 16x. 2 times 3y, 6y. 2 times 1, 2. And now here you should name it as 3. Third equation. Okay. Then second one we have to multiply by 3. Second one we should multiply by 3. Okay. And now here 3 times 3, 9x. 3 times 2, 6y. 3 times 16, 48. And then fourth one. And now here second and third one. First and second one don't need to take. Only the third and fourth. Okay. Third and fourth one. Right. And now let's see the coefficient here. And now we know here plus here minus 6 plus 6. Right. These are the coefficient equal here. 1. And now here different sign. Plus minus. If minus plus or plus minus different signs, we should add the two equations. Okay. And now here we can add third one here plus fourth one. Right. Okay. And now here you can add 4 plus 3 also. Same thing. 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3. Okay. And now here 16x minus 6y. 16x minus 6y plus. And now here don't need to put brackets. Why addition? No, don't need to put. If minus, compulsory you should put brackets. Okay, understood? If minus, compulsory you should put brackets. And now here don't need, right? And now here 9x plus 6y. And now here 2 plus 48. 2 plus 48. And now here minus 6y to plus 6y we can cancel it. 16x plus 9x here 25x. 2 plus 48, 50. And then both sides divide by 25. And now here x equals to 2. The value of x equals 2. And now you can substitute first one or second one. I think first one is easy. And then substitute by 1. Substitute by 1. And now here 8x minus 3y equals 1. Write the equation. 8x minus 3y equals 1. And then value of x equals here 2. Okay. And now here 8 times 2 minus 3y equals 1. And now here 8 times 2 16. And now listen to me carefully. Listen to me everyone. 16 minus 3y equals 1. Now don't take plus 16 here to minus 16. Why? Here minus 3y, not plus 3. If here plus 3y, you can take here minus 60. Other side. Now here first we can take minus 3y here to plus 3. We can change the sign. Why minus to plus? Now here plus 1 we can move here minus 1. Then 16 minus 1 equals to plus 3y, not minus 3. Okay. Then 16 minus 1 here 15 equals 3y. And now both sides divide by 3. Then y equals to 5. Y equals y means y equals 5. Right? Say. Okay. Then value of x equals to value of y equals 5. Okay. Again, here listen to me. If we add two equations, don't need to put brackets. If we subtract, then we should put brackets. Okay, right. Hurry up now. Everyone understood? Fifth one. Now very easy. Hurry up now, write it. Others. X equals 2, y equals 5. Right, good. X equals 2, y equals 5. Now let's see the last one, sixth one. Okay, I wrote two equations. Sixth one. 4a minus 3b. 4a minus 3b equals 7. First equation. 7a minus 2b. 7a minus 2b equals 22. Second equation. Do it. If you finish this one, then do the sixth one. Hurry up now. Don't wasting time. Okay, Hikma, good. A equals 4, B equals 3. Right, let's see, right? Okay. Hafsa, Nizar, okay, A equals 4. What's the value of B? Hafsa? Right, B equals 3. Maureen, okay, A equals 4. We can multiply by any number, the equation, but we should first equal to coefficient. Here 6, 6. Otherwise, we can't simplify. We can multiply first equation 5 or first equation 10 or first equation 100. But here we have here 6y, here let's see. Here 6y, here 6y. We should equal the coefficient, right? Then we can cut now here minus 6y to plus 6y. Then here simple equation 25x equals to 50, right? Simultaneous equation means what? More than one unknown terms, right? Now here simple equation. That's why first we equal to here coefficient. Okay. Prasna Rizwan, okay, equals 4, B equals 3. Others, hurry up now. Shazazi, okay, Zainab, okay, A equals 4. Yes, in the exam, they given like a story, right? We should construct the two simultaneous equation, right? We'll discuss, right? After first 10, I gave here second one, 2019, 2018, 2016, and 2015. We'll discuss, right? Then those questions, the hard part is we should construct the two simultaneous equation. That's the thing, right? If you construct the two equation, then easy. Hurry up now, others. To the fourth one. Simplify and tell me what's the value of A and B. The fifth equation we can multiply by first equation 4 and second equation 6. But LCM is 6 now, right? Take the LCM. Then easy, right? Take the least common multiple, LCM. Sigma, okay, A equals 4, B equals 3. Okay, good. Farah Ahmad, okay. Mifra, okay, equals 4. B equals 3. Right, let's see, right? A equals 4, right? Okay. Think time is enough, no? Right. Okay. Now let's see here. Right. Now listen to me. And now here, what's the coefficient of A here? 4, here 7. And now here 4 and 7, what's the LCM? 28. 4 times 7, 28. And now here 2 and 3 and 2. What's the LCM? 6. And now 6 is very easy. Okay. And now here 3B, we should turn into 6B. And now here we know 3 times 2 is 6. And then first equation we can multiply by 2. Here mark. Then easy, no? First equation we can multiply by 2. Pencil you can mark here. Then 2 times 3 is 6B. And now here 2B. And then 2B also we should convert into 6B. Right? And now we know 2 times 3 here 6B. Okay. And now first one we can multiply by 2. Here, listen to me. Right? If someone can ask here, if first one we can multiply by 4 also. Oh, yes. Here, if you multiply by 4, 4 times 3, 12. Then here second equation you should multiply by 6. Okay. Then here second here 6. 6 times 2, 12. And now coefficient equal. That method also easy. But here we know here 6 is easy. Then first one we can easily multiply by 2. Here. And now here 2 times 4A, 8A. 2 times 3B, 6B. 2 times 7 here, 14. This is the third equation. Okay. Then second one we should multiply by 3. 3, right here. Second one multiply by 3. Okay. 3 times 27, 21A. 3 times 2B, here 6B. 3 times 22, 66. This is the fourth one. And now here first and second one don't need to take, only the third and fourth one. Why? Here coefficient are equal. 6, here 6. Now listen to me here. Right? And now here minus minus. That means same sign. Signs are equal. If plus plus or minus minus. If same sign, we should subtract the two equations. If different signs, we should add. That's the method. Okay. And now here minus minus, we should subtract. And now turn into what? Right hand side. Here 14 minus 66. Here 66 minus 14. 4 minus 6. Now we know 66 is larger than 14. Then what's easy method? 4 minus 3. Okay. Now here fourth equation 4 minus 3. Right? Like this. Right? Okay. Now here write the fourth one. 21A minus 6B minus, now here minus now, now put the brackets here. 8A minus 6B. 8A minus 6B equals to 66 minus 14, not 14 minus 60. Okay. Then here 66 minus 40. Okay. Now expand it here. 21A minus 6B. How is it going to be? Minus into plus 8A minus 8. Okay. Minus into minus, we know plus 6B. And now here 66 minus 14, 52. Okay. Right. Now here minus 6B to plus 6B, we can cancel it. 21 minus 18, 13A equals to 52. To find the value of A, both sides divide by 13, then A equals to 13 times 4 is 52. 13 times 2, 26. 26 times 2, 52. Then 13 times 4 is 52. Okay. And now you can substitute by what? What's easy? First one is easy. Now here 4, 3, 7. Here 7, 2, 22. First one is easy. And now you can substitute by first one. Okay. Write the equation 4A minus 3B. 4A minus 3B equals 7. Okay. And now what's the value of A here? 4. And now here 4 times 4 minus 3B equals 7. 4 times 4 here 16. 16 minus 3B equals 7. And now same thing. Last question, right? And now here minus 3B. Then don't take here plus 16 to minus 16. Take here minus 3B to plus 3B. And now here plus 7 we can move here minus 7. 16 minus 7 equals to plus 3B. Now here 9 equals to 3b. Both sides divide by 3. The value of b equals 3. Okay. Correct now. Hurry up. Correct it. Now from seventh one, the different simultaneous equations, right? Okay. Right. If you finish this one, right? First day, okay. Seventh question, right? Do the seventh one. P equals 6. Okay, correct. Q equals 2. Right. I did a different method for the seventh one, right? Okay. Let's see now. Others, hurry up now. Right. After that, we will discuss the fractional coefficient. Right. In the exam, they given sometimes fractional coefficient. Right. On to the seventh one. Okay. P equals 3Q. The most probably they given in the exam, right? Here P equals 3Q. Now P plus 3Q equals second one. P plus 3Q equals to 12. Right. Hurry up now. Do it. The seventh one will do a different method, right? Okay. Arkam, okay. P equals 6, Q equals 2. Aisha, okay. Yes, now Rain. P equals 6, Q equals 2. Okay, good. Answers are correct. Khatija, okay. Other 6 on finish. Everyone. To the seventh one. Everyone finish now? Hurry up now, write it. Ishfaq, okay. Q equals 2, P equals 6. Answers are correct. Bushra, okay. P equals 6, Q equals 2. Good. After the fractional coefficient, we'll discuss the past papers, right? Only 2015 paper they given fractional coefficient, right? The whole papers are only the here numerical value, whole numbers, right? Integers. Only the 2015 paper they given fractional coefficient, right? Now here, listen to me now. Everyone listen to me. Now here different method. We can use a different method, right? Now they given already here P equals 3Q. Okay. And now don't need to subtract or add, right? Now we know value of P. The unknown term equals to 3Q. Then we can, here listen to me now. Stop writing. Now here we can substitute the value of P equals 3Q. Now we can substitute the first equation for the second one. Now how to write that one? Here. We can first one, we can substitute here to the second one. Don't need to add or don't need to subtract. Okay. And now first write the second one here. Listen to me. P plus 3Q equals 12. Write the second one. Now we know value of P equals to 3Q. Here P equals 3Q. And now here substitute here P equals to 3. Then here 3Q plus 3Q equals 12. Now this one is what? Simple equation. Only one unknown term here. QQ. Here P and Q, simultaneous equation. But here now, simple equation. Now here we know 3Q plus 3Q here, 6Q equals to 12. Then both sides divide by 6. Now here Q equals to 2. Very easy. Now easy we can substitute here for the first one. Now here substitute for the first one. Okay. P equals to 3Q. Yeah. P equals 3Q. Now value of Q equals 2. Then here 3 times 2. 3 times 2 here 6. Now here P equals to 6. Very easy. Okay. Aram now. If you wrote any other method, write this one as a second method, right? Write second method and write it. Now this method is easy, right? Like this question only, right? We can use. They given P equals 3Q. Then we can substitute P equals 3Q. Right, okay. Right, you will continue. Yes, method. We can convert into P minus 3Q equals 0. That method also correct. Right, I'll explain again.
Hi students, I just want to introduce our website to you all. I am Asia Ali here. So let me show you, if you want to continue in Safsal's class, this is how you can do it, right? So let me show you how to access our website. Right, so this is our website. Our website is satehacollege.lk, satehacollege.lk, right? So in our website, we have an offer for you, right? So the offer for O levels is, if you join for 3 or more subjects under our institute, you will get a 5% off, right? So this is the coupon code to obtain the 5%. So I have uploaded a video in YouTube showing step by step how to access the website, right? So this is our YouTube channel, Sateha College. So if you go there, you can access our website. Like, we have made a video showing how to access our website, so you can go through that. Okay, so and also, if you want to continue in Safsal's class, you can leave me a message to my number. I think most of you all know my number. I will leave my number in the chat as well for everyone. So you can leave a message asking how to join. So then I will send you the YouTube link. And if you can't join, like if you find difficult to access our website, or if you find difficult to join, it's very easy. But still, if you can't join, we can guide you step by step. We can show what to do. We can show like how to go, how to do this. So everything, you don't need to worry. We will be guiding you step by step, so you don't have to worry, right? So let me show how where is the course, right? So if you go to all courses, and if you are grade 10, right, so if you click on grade 10, you can see all the courses which we have in our institute. So if you go to the second page, you can find here mathematics, Tuan Insaf, and the grade 10 classes will happen on Sundays, 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. So the monthly fees is 1,500. So this is the option you should click. So if you go to our YouTube channel and check how to access the website, you will understand what I have shown here, right? So grade 11s, if you go to the grade 11 section, right? So here grade 11s, you will have the class on Sunday, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. right? So, and the monthly fees is 1,500. So you can choose this option and you can join InsafSys class, right? So that's how to access our website. So if you are interested to continue, please make sure to leave me a message to the WhatsApp number. I will be putting you in the chat, and so we can guide you step by step. Okay, thank you.
Right, okay. I'll explain it again, this question. Right, now here, you can, here, P equals 3Q now, right? Normally, you can do this one here, P equals 3Q, you can take here plus 3Q here minus 3Q, then P minus 3Q equals 10, here 0, you can take as third one, right? This method is correct. But here already they given here value of P equals to 3Q. Then don't need to convert like this. Okay. Now here first equation we can substitute for the second. This will be now everyone. Again I'll explain it, right? Then what's the second equation? P plus 3Q equals 2. Now we know here already what's the value of P equals to 3Q. Then for P we can write here 3Q. Why we know P equals 3Q? They given. Then here we can substitute 3Q. Now here 3Q already they given. 3Q plus 3Q equals 12. Now simple equation. Then here 6Q equals 12. Both sides divide by 6. Then what's the value of Q? Q equals 2. Now you can substitute by the first one. Here Q, 3 times 2, here 6. Then value of P equals to 6. Okay. Right. Now eighth one. Eighth one is a different one, right? Eighth one, right? These are the two equations, right? Now here, listen to me carefully. 3x minus 4y equals 8 times 2 minus y plus 1. First equation. Second one, 2 times 2x plus 3y equals to 26 minus 1. Right. First, we should make it what? X and y, we have to separate it. Hurry up now. Aisha, x equals 3, y equals 2. Arkam, y equals 2, x equals 3. Okay. X equals 3, y equals 2. Okay. Right. The equation, right? I'll prepare the two equations. Then you can continue as homework, right? 8-1. Now, first we should make x and y. We should separate, right? Now here, right here from first one. Here, first one. Now here, 3x minus 4y. 3x minus 4y. Now here, 8 times 2, 16. 8 times minus y minus 8y. Here plus 1. Okay. Now here minus 8y, we can take here plus 8y. Then here 3x minus 4y plus 8y. Here 16 plus 1 here 70. Okay. I'll repeat again. 3x minus 4y. Here you can expand it. 8 times 2, 16. 8 times minus y minus 8y. Here plus 1. And now here minus 8y, here you can take plus 8y. And now here, like terms here, 8y minus 4y plus 4y. And now this is the equation 3x plus 4y equals to 16. And now you can name it this one as third equation. Yeah. 3x plus 4y equals 70. Right? First we have to convert like 3x plus 4y equals to 70. Okay. And now here second one. Right. From second equation. And now you can expand here. 2 times 2x, 4x. 2 times 3y, 6y. Here 26 minus 1. And now minus y we can take here plus y. And then here 4x plus 6y plus y equals 26. Here 4x plus 7y equals 26. And now this is the fourth equation. And now you can, yeah, 4x plus 7y equals 26. Copy these two, hurry up. Okay. Now what are the two equations? 3x plus 4y equals 17 and 4x plus 7y equals 26. Okay. Hurry up now, write it. In keep a page, you can do as homework, right? What are the coefficient of x? 3 and 4. Then what's the LCM? 12. 4 and 7 is 28. And then x is easy. Then third equation we can multiply by 4. Fourth equation we can multiply by 3. Then you can name it fifth equation and the sixth equation, 5 and 6. Okay, everyone understood? Right. Now let's see how to simplify if they given fractional coefficient. Abdullah, okay, x equals 2, y equals 3. Good. Others, hurry up now, write it. Take the third and fourth one. And keep a space for the answers. Pravina, okay. Right. Now let's see how to simplify fractional coefficient. Right. Right. I'll explain ninth one, then you can do the last one, right? Okay. Now everyone stop writing. Listen to me now. Now they given fractional coefficient. Okay. Now they given fraction, not whole numbers or integers. Okay. Now ninth one, half x plus 2 over 3y. Here. 1 over 2x plus 2 over 3y equals 1. Now difficult, right? Okay. Now let's see. Now here 5 over 6x. 5 over 6x plus 1 over 3y. 1 over 3y equals 4. This is the second one. Now these are the two equations, right? Now first listen to me. Now they given fraction now. First, we should make it what? Integers, whole numbers. How to make it whole numbers? We should multiply by LCM. Now here listen to me. What's here fraction here? Denominator 2. Here denominator what? 3. Now we know 2 and 3. What's LCM? 2 times 3, 6. Then first we should multiply by first equation by 6. Okay. Now here 2 and 3. 2 times 3, 6 now. Then first equation we have to multiply by 6. Now not like that, right? We should write that step. Here, listen to me now. Now here 6 times 1 over 2. We should write. Here after that 6 times 2 over 3 1. Why we have to simplify? Now here 6 times 1. Okay, we should write that step. Here 6, here 6, here 6. All terms we should multiply by 6. By equation now. Now here we can cancel it. Here 2 times 1, 2 times 3. 3 times 1x, 3x. Plus 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 2 times 2, 4y, 6 times 1, 6. And now this is the third equation. I'll explain again. 2 and 3, what's LCM? 6. Then first equation we should multiply by 6. Then write that step here. 6 times 1 over 2. 6 times 2 over 3. 6 times 1. And now you can simplify. 2 times 1, 2 times 3. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 1, 3 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. Now easy. 3x plus 4y equals 6. Okay. Like that second equation. 6 and 3. What's LCM? Not 18. 6 times 3, not 18. 6 and 3 LCM is 6. Okay. If you have to find here 6 and 3. How to find LCM? We should divide by what? Prime numbers. Now we know is first we can divide by 2. Here 6 divided by 3. Here we can't divide by 2. And now here 3, 1, 1. And now here 2 times 3, what? 6. Okay. Not 18. Then second equation we can multiply by 6. Second equation, no, we can multiply by 6. Then write a step here. 6 times 5 over 6. 6 times 5 over 6. Here plus 6 times 1 over 3y. 6 times 1 over 3y equals 6 times 4. Yeah. Now here simplify. 6 to 6 we can cut here. Now here 5x. Plus 3 times 1, 3 times 2. 2 times y here, 2y. 6 times 4 here, 24. Now this is the 4. Yeah. Fourth equation. Now here 3x plus 4y equals 6. Here 5x plus 2y equals 24. Now let's see here coefficient now. 3, 5. What's LCM of 3 and 5? 15. Okay. How does it make? Here 4, here 2. What's LCM of 4 and 2? 4. Now 4 is easy. Then we should equal coefficient of 1. Now we are already here 4. Then don't need to make here 4. Now here 2y. Then 2 we should make it as 4. Then 2 we have to multiply by 2. That means fourth equation we should multiply by 2. Okay. Then here, correct here. Fourth equation we should multiply by 2. Okay. Now easy. Now don't need to write. That's it. 2 times 5, 10x. Okay. 2 times 2y, 4y. 2 times 2y, 4y. 2 times 24, 48. Now you can name this one as 5. Okay. Now we want here third equation and the fifth equation. Yeah. Now here 4y, here 4y. Now see the sign here. Here 4y, here in front, here plus. Here plus. Now same sign. Now we should subtract. Now see the right hand side here. 6 and 48. Now easy to, we can subtract 48 minus 16. Now you can write here fifth equation minus third equation. Yeah. Okay. Now what's the fifth equation here? 10x plus 4y minus, put the brackets, 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y equals to 48 minus 6. 48 minus 6. Okay. Now we expand it here. 10x plus 4y minus 3x minus into plus minus 4y. 48 minus 6, 42. Okay. Now here plus 4y to minus 4y we can cut. 10x minus 3x. 7x equals to 42. Both sides divide by 7. Now here x equals to 6. 7 times 6, 42. Okay. X equals 6. Right. Hurry up now, go with this one. X equals 6. Now you can substitute the value of x. Not the first or second one. Third or fourth one. Why first one and second one fractional coefficient, no? Right? Then easy you can substitute third one or fourth one. Then what's the easy? I think third one is easy. No? 3x plus 4y equals 6. Then substitute the value of x equals 6. Hurry up now. Don't substitute the first or second one. Like we can substitute, but here fraction no. Then third and fourth one easy. Then third one is very easy, right? 3x plus 4y. Hurry up now. Then substitute by third one. Right? 3x plus 4y equals 6. 3x plus 4y equals 6. Value of x equals 6. Listen to me. Then here 3 times 6 plus 4y equals 6. 3 times 6, 18 plus 4y equals 6. Plus 18, we can take here minus 18. Now, then 4y equals 6 minus 18. Okay, is it finished? Everyone? But I'm not write it. Then tell me what's the value of y? Now we know x equals 6. What's the value of y? Y equals 3 is wrong, right? Ifra? Aisha, good. Y equals minus 3, okay. Right? Plus 3 wrong. Okay. Right. And now here listen to me. And now here 6 minus 18, not 18 minus 6. And now here 6 minus 18 can't know. And then 18 minus 6, but here put minus. And then 18 minus 6 here 12. And now 4y equals 12. Both sides divide by 4. And then y equals to minus 3. Y equals to minus 3. Hurry up now. Right, now do the last one. I'll give 5 minutes. Hurry up now, do it. And tell me what are the answers of P and Q. Same thing, right? Fractional coefficient, right? The second equation, 1 over 2P minus 1, 2 over 3. 1, 2 over 3Q. Eighth one, we took the answers, equations, right? Okay. Hurry up now. Do the last one now, 10th one. Now they given mixed fraction also, right? Last one. Hurry up now. Right. So the last one and tell me the answers. 207P minus 103Q equals 5. 102P minus 1, 2 over 3 Q equals 12. The second one. Hurry up now. Now they given mixed fraction also. 1, 2 over 3. 1, 2 over 3. Tell me the answers of P and Q. Q equals 3. Everyone hurry up now. Simplify and tell me. Q equals 3 is wrong, right? Let's see, right? Others hurry up now. Tell me what's the value of P and Q. Simplify it correctly. Sigma, good, Q equals minus 3, correct. What's the value of P? Now last two is hard, right? Okay. By fractional coefficient now. Zainab, okay. Q equals minus 3, correct. Others? First, we should make it fraction. We should make it the whole numbers, no integers. Naureen, okay. Q equals minus 3. What's value of P? Naureen? Asma, okay. Q equals minus 3. Find the value of P. Nasman sir, okay. It's hard. Let's see now. We should do the hard question also, right? Why they giving the exam? For the example, 2015. Right. P equals 14. Right. Correct. Others, hurry up now. Don't substitute the value of Q, first equation and second equation, right? Right. Praveen, okay. Good. P equals 14 and Q equals minus 3. Don't substitute the value of Q equals minus 3 for the first one and second one. Why? Fraction, no. We should have the simplify. You can substitute and simplify. It's okay. But third and fourth one is easy. Right? Right. Now let's see. Right. Time is enough. Okay. Stop writing, everyone. Listen to me now. Everyone. Right. Now we have 7 and 3. We know 7 and 3. What's LCM? 21. Then first equation we should multiply by 21. Okay. Second equation. Now we know 1, 2 over 3 now here. First we should make it what? As a improper fraction. How to make improper fraction? 3 times 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. That means what? 5 over 3. However, the denominator is 3 now. Now here 3 and 2, what's LCM? 6. Then multiply by 6. Okay. Now we can write here. First equation we can multiply by 21. Okay. Write this step. 21 into 2 over 7p. Listen to me. Minus 21 into 1 over 3q equals 21 times 5. Fraction. That's why we write the here this step. Okay. Now here 7 times 1, 7 times 3, 3 times 2 here 6p. Minus 3 times 1, 3 times 7, 7 times q here 7q, 21 times 5, 105. And now we can name it as what? Third one. 5 times 1, 5, 5 times 2, 10, 105. Okay. And now second one we should multiply by 6. Second one we should multiply by 6. And now here 6 times 1 or 2. Here minus 6 times. And now this one make it what? As an improper fraction. Right? Don't write here 1, 2 over 3. Mixed fraction, right? And now here 3 times 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. And now we have 5 over 3q equals to 6 times 12. 6 times 2. Okay. And now simplify. 2 times 1, 2 times 3, 3 times p here 3p. 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 2 times 5 here 10q equals to 6 times 12 here 72. We can write fourth one. Okay. And now let's see the coefficient here. 6, 3. 6 and 3, what's LCM? 6. 7, 10. What's LCM? 70. Okay. And now here 6 is very easy. And now here already here 6. Then don't need to multiply anything. And now here fourth one here 3p we should make it what? Into 6p. Then we know 3 times 2 is 6p. Then fourth equation we can multiply by 2. Then write here. Fourth one we can multiply by 2. 2 times 3, 6p. 2 times 10, 20q. 2 times 72, 144. And now this one is the fifth one. And now fifth one and third one. Here These are the two equations here. 6p minus 7q equals 105. 6p minus 20q equals 144. And now listen to me carefully. Now here what's the question here equal 6p. 6p. And now what's the sign here? Plus. Here also plus. Same sign. Now we should subtract. Right? And now here 144. Here 105. Then fifth equation minus third one. Very easy. Here 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. Okay. 6p minus 20q. 6p minus 20q minus, put the brackets, 6p minus 7q. 6p minus 7q equals to 144 minus 105. 144 minus 105. Now expand here. 6p minus 20q minus into 6p minus 6p minus into minus plus 7q. Okay. I'll explain again. Minus into 6p minus 6p minus into minus here plus 7. Now here 144 minus 105. 4 minus 5 can't. 14 minus 5 here 9. Now here 3 minus 0 here 3. Okay. Now we can simplify here. Plus 6p to minus 6p we can cancel. Now listen to me carefully. Here minus 20q, not plus. Minus 20q plus 7q, different signs. Here minus and plus. Minus 20q plus 7q. Then you should subtract and put the sign of the large number. Then minus 20 plus 7. 20 minus 7, 13. What's the sign of the large number? Minus. Then minus 13q equals 39. Not plus 30. Minus 13q. We should put the sign of the large number. Minus. Okay. Then here we should divide by minus 30. Not plus 30. Then minus 13 to minus 13 we can cancel it here. Q equals 39 divided by 13, 3. Plus divide by minus, minus. Then Q equals to minus 3. Okay. Not plus 3. Q equals minus 3. Now you can substitute third or fourth one. Third one is easy. 6p minus 7q. Fourth one also easy. 3p minus 10. Both are equal. Then you can substitute in the fourth one, right? Hurry up now. For this one first. Okay, Abdullah. Sigma correct. P equals 14. Substitute for the fourth one, no? Or third one. Very easy. Third one and fourth one. Yes, we should write all the methods in the exam paper, right? By second paper now, we should write every step, right? Every step, write and take the answer, right? Don't miss anything, right? The simultaneous equation they given for the second paper. Then we should write the every step, right? And take the answer. Here, I'll explain again last time. Here, 7 and 3, what's LCM? 21. Now, with fraction coefficient, we can't simplify. Then fraction, we should make into all numbers, integers. Okay. Then 7 and 3, 21. We have to, first one, we can multiply by 20. Then 21 times 2 over 7, 21 times 1 over 3. 7 times 1, 7 times 3, 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 1, 3 times 7, here 7. Equals to 105. Okay. Now 2 and 3, what's LCM? 6. Then second equation, we should multiply by 6. Okay. 2 times 1, 2 times 3. 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 2 times 5, 10, 3 times p here 3p, here 72. And now you can equal option. Here 6p, here 3p, and then fourth one we can multiply by 2. Now here 6p minus 20q equals 144. Here 6p, here 6p, and then 5 minus 3. Okay, right. And now we can substitute for the fourth equation, right? Third one also okay. right? Substitute for the fourth one. What's the fourth one? 3p minus 10q equals 72. Substitute by fourth one. 3p minus 10q equals 72. What's the value of q here? Minus 3. And now listen to me. Everyone, 10 times minus 3 equals 72. And now here minus 10 times minus 3. Now you know minus into minus, multiplication plus. Now then minus into minus plus. And now here plus 30 plus 3p equals 72. Plus 30 we can take here minus 30. Then 72 minus 30 equals 42. And now here 3p equals 42. Both sides divide by 3. Then p equals to 40. Okay, 3 times 14, 42. Hurry up now. Now basic theory parts of simultaneous equation finish. Now we will see the past papers. Okay, the O-level exam or term test, they given a story. Okay, everyone listen to me. They given a story. Then we should construct two simultaneous equations. Okay, right. If you finish the last one, 10th one, now read it carefully. 2019 paper. The second question. 2019 paper. 12 o'clock finish, right, class? Read the second question carefully now. Now construct two simultaneous equations. There are 5 boys and 4 girls in a group dances. In a certain performance, all the boys wear costumes of the same price and all the girls too wear costumes of the same price. Okay. The price of 2 boys' costumes was 1,000 rupees more than the price of 3 girls' costumes. Again, the price of 2 boys' costumes was 1,000 rupees more than the price of 3 girls' costumes. The cost of the costumes of all the children in the group was 14,000 rupees. Okay, take the price of a boy costume as X and take the price of girl costumes as Y. Then construct a pair of simultaneous equation. Hurry up now. Now that's the hard thing. You should construct two simultaneous equations. Arkam, okay, correct. Others, hurry up. Right, Aisha, correct. Good. Construct two simultaneous equations, everyone. Arkam and Aisha, correct. Others, hurry up now. Take the price of boys' costumes as X. Take the price of girls' costume as Y. And there are 5 boys and 4 girls. Atika, hard. Right, let's see. Others, hurry up now. Mitab, okay, 5x plus 4y, right? Okay. Second equation, okay, Hikma, first one is wrong. Right. Now let's see first one. I'll explain. Right. First, you should put a short note, right? Like this. Then easy to write two simultaneous equation, right? 2019 knowledge. Right? Second question. Now listen to me. Now they given there are 5 boys and 4 girls, right? Then we can mark here boys and girls. Yeah. Okay. Now here there are 5 boys, right? 5 boys and 4 girls. Okay. Now they given here, take the price of a boy costume as X. Now here we have to take X. Yeah. Now here the price of girl costume here Y. Now listen to me carefully. Now they given here the price of 2 boys of costumes, right? 2 boys now, then 2x. Not 5 boys, right? 2 boys. 2x was 1,000 rupees more than the price of 3 girls costumes. What's the price of 3 girls costumes? 3y. Okay, now listen to me carefully. Right? The price of 2 boys costumes, 2x was more than, right? 1,000 rupees more than the price of 3 girls costumes. Then here 3y plus 1,000 equals to 2x. Okay, why? The price of 2 boys costumes is 1,000 rupees more than. Then we should add here, not here. Okay, 1,000 rupees more than the price of 3 girls costumes. Then 3y plus 1,000 equals to 2x. Not 2x plus 1,000 equals 3. Okay, was more than the price of here 3 girls. Right? And now here we can take here plus 3y, here we can take minus 3y. And now 2x minus 3y equals to 1,000. This is the first equation. Okay, 2x minus 3y equals 1,000. And now second equation. The cost of the costumes of all the children in the group was 14,000 rupees. Now they given all the children. And now here 5 boys. Then here 5x. All the children know 5x. Now here 4 girls. Then 4y. Then total. Then we should add was 14,000. Yeah. This is the second equation. Now you can continue it. Yeah. 2x minus 3y equals 1,000. 5x minus plus 3y equals 14,000. Now here let's see here 2 and 5. What's LCM? 10. Here 3 and 4. What's LCM? 12. Then 10 is easy now. Then first equation we can multiply by 5. Why? 5 times 2, 10. Now here second equation we can multiply by 2. Here 2 times 5, 10. Okay. And now here first equation we can multiply by 5. 5 times 2, 10x. 5 times 3, 15y. 5 times 1,000, 5,000. Third equation. Okay. Second equation we can multiply by 2. 2 times 5, 10x. 2 times 4, 8y. 2 times 14,000, 28,000. Fourth one. And now here coefficient of x is equal. Now don't take these signs. Okay. Why here y? We want to take here x. And now here plus and plus. Here same sign. Not minus plus, right? Minus plus are sign of y. And now we should take here x. Why? These coefficients are equal. X. And now here plus, then we should subtract. And now here 28,000 now. And now here 4 minus 3 is easy. Fourth equation minus third one. Okay. Then fourth one, 10x plus 8y minus 10x 15y. Okay, 10x minus 15y, 28,000 minus 5,000. Okay, now expand it here, brackets, 10x plus 8y minus into 10x minus 10x minus into minus here plus 15y, 28,000 minus 5,000, 23,000. Okay, now here plus 10x to minus 10x we can cut, 15y plus 8y, 23y. And 23y equals to 23,000. Then easy. Then both sides divide by 23. Yeah. Then value of y equals to 1,000. That means the girl's costume, right? 1,000 rupees. Okay. Now you can substitute this one for the first one and find the value of x, boy's costume. Hurry up now. Right, Yunus, okay. Right, Rajna, 2,000 rupees. Right. Others, hurry up now, write it. First copy the value of y equals 1,000. Right. We'll discuss 2015 paper, right? Fractional coefficient. Y equals 1,000, okay. Mifra, take the value of x. $2,500 is wrong, right? Y equals 2,000, correct. X equals. Hurry up now. Substitute by the first one now. What's the first one? 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y equals to 1,000. Okay. Then value of y equals 1,000. Here 2x minus 3 times 1,000 equal 1,000. Now here 3,000. 2x minus 3,000 equals to 1,000. Minus 3,000 here, take plus 3,000 plus 1,000 here, 4,000. 2x equals to 4,000. Then both sides divide by 2. Then x equals to 2,000. And after taking these two values, y equals 1,000, x equals 2,000, the right step, the price of boy's costume equals to 2,000 rupees. Okay, write it. The boy of 2,000 rupees and the girl's costume, right, equals to 1,000 rupees. Okay, by the final step, the price of a boy's costume 2,000 rupees and the price of girl's costume 1,000 rupees. Fine, write it, right? Okay. If we finish 2019 paper, take the 2018, right? Construct two simultaneous equations. That's enough. Don't need to simplify. Construct the two simultaneous equations. Read it carefully. They given a story from cricket match. Hurry up now. If you finish this one, construct two simultaneous equation 2018 paper. Hurry up. Right. Arkam. Okay. Good. Others, hurry up. Don't need to simplify. Construct two simultaneous equation, right? And you can continue in home, right? I'll give you as homework. Others, hurry up now. The number of fours and sixes the winning team hit in a cricket match was 38. The number of fours and sixes, right? And the number of runs scored only fours and sixes was 176. Now, Nuha is wrong, right? Not x equals 38, y equals 176, right? Construct two simultaneous equations, not the value. Not x equals 38 or y equals 176. Read and carefully. Construct two simultaneous equations. 2018, all level. Third question. The number of fours and the number of sixes. Hurry up now. Option is our first one is okay, correct. And the second one. Carefully read it. If simultaneous equation is wrong, then everything will be wrong, right? And take 5 minutes and construct two simultaneous equations. Sigma okay, 4x plus 6y equals 38 is wrong. Mifra correct, x plus y equals 38. Good. Nuha wrong. 4x not equal to 38, 6y. We should construct the simultaneous equation, not the simple equations. Amina correct. Nasma correct. Not 36, 38. Nasma. Right. First they are correct. Right. Time is enough. Right. Now let's see here. Everyone, listen to me now. Yeah. The number of fours and sixes the winning team hit and cricket match was 38. Now here they given. Take the number of fours hit as here x. The number of fours here x. The number of sixes here y. Okay. Right. Now read it again. Now first they are given the number of fours. Right. That means x, not 4x. The score is 4x. Okay. If they hit here number of fours 2, then 4 times 2, 8 runs. Score is right. If they hit 3 sixes, then 3 times 6, 18. That means score. Now here the number of fours, x, only x. And the number of sixes, the winning team hit and cricket match was 38. That means here x plus y equals to 30. The number of fours and the number of sixes equals to 38. First equation. Okay. Now they are given the number of runs, that means scored. The number of runs scored from only fours and sixes was 176. If they hit 5 fours, then 4 times 5, 20. If they eat 10 fours, then 10 times 4, 40. Now they eat here number of fours x. Then here, what's the score? Runs 4x. Right? Now what's the runs scored by 6s? Here 6 into y, 6y. Then 4x plus 6y equals to 176. This is the second equation. Okay. Understood, everyone? X plus y equals to 38. 4x plus 6y equals to 176. 176. Now you can continue this one as homework, right? Okay. Now here x plus y equals 38. Now here 1 and 4. Now LCM here 4, 1 and 6 LCM is 6. Then what's easy? 4 is 6. Now then first one you can multiply by 4. 4x plus 4y, 38 times 4. Then take the answer. You can continue it. Okay. Now fourth and fifth one do as homework, right? Okay. Inshallah, let's see. Next week we'll discuss that two question. For grade 11, we'll do some model papers. Okay. Everyone listen to me. From next week, model papers and then part 1, right? First paper, part A and part B. 25 MCQs and the structured essay paper. Very easy paper, the first paper, right? Okay. First paper, part A, 25 MCQs and the part B, structured essay paper, right? We'll discuss that paper. After that, we'll go to the second paper and we'll discuss by part, lesson by lesson. Okay, like this. Okay. Then do the homeworks 2016 and 2015. See the 2015 question. 2015 they given fractional coefficient. Okay. Only 2015 oral paper they given fractional coefficient. Only the 2000 to 2021 only 2015 paper they given fractional coefficient. Right. Try that one and we'll discuss that paper that question also. Then next week for grade 10 we'll start for arithmetic progression. Right. Another 10 marks. Okay. Arithmetic progression next week. Okay. Right. And to everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Goodbye.